Right, welcome back everybody. Lift it up so everybody can see the second turntable. So, we just bought this one. This came from Baden Boys a few weeks ago. And I don't know where the ticket is now, but it said it was working, but it wouldn't work. It wasn't working. So we've just cleaned it all because Johnny's come up with a bright idea. If you look at, shows people about the nice layout you've designed. It's very basic. So give him a break. It's his first one that he's done on his own, but he wants two turntables on this layout. So I said, okay, I'll get the turntable working, and so now don't be naughty. I mean, it's a bit iffy, to say the least, but it works.
Yeah.
Which is a good
sign.
Relief. So Johnny wants a turntable this end, and he wants a turntable over there. I'm having nothing to do with this layout. This is all John's own. I'm not sure where it's come from in his head, but it's all from his head. So well done, John. Great job. One more go. Faultless. Look at that. Whether anything runs off it and up it, I don't know. We don't know. We haven't tried that yet, have we?
No.
But it goes round.
Yeah.
So that's something, isn't it? Aye.
Yep.
Right. Thanks for watching.